guys, how are you? I'm Shrestha. Welcome back to my channel. And आजको भिडियो चाहिँ मैले dairy free milk बारेमा बनाएको हो, which is also known as plant based milk. Let's talk shortly about veganism and vegan. Vegan भनेको cruelty free, no harm to animals, clothing to anything is cruelty free. मैले vegan हुनलाई चाहिँ I have a lot of inspiration. मैले धेरै inspirationहरु influencerहरुलाई देखेर उहाँहरुको footstep follow गरेको हो अनि मलाई लाग्छ कि they are right and I am doing the right thing as well and no one should stop. कसैले पनि stop गर्नु हुँदैन अर्काको decisionलाई हैन. Veganism को बारेमा थाहा भएपछि I am slowly evolving. I just want to say that I am vegan because of the ethical reason. Dairy products हरु चाहिँ अलिकति गाह्रो हुन्छ पहिला मलाई, especially cheese अनि ice cream हरु यस्तो चाहिँ मलाई लाग्थ्यो कि I could not replace it. म चाहिँ replace गर्न नै सक्दैन जस्तो लाग्थ्यो, तर अहिले चाहिँ I can 100% I will and it's up to you. यो सबै तपाईहरुकै choice हो whether to eat or whether choose not to eat meat. Non-vegan replacement हरु कता पाउनुहुन्छ भने short brief मा चाहिँ भनिदिन्छु. First I would like to mention a vegan dairy Nepal. उहाँकोमा चाहिँ अघि मैले भने जस्तो मिल्कहरु पाउँछ and they have home delivery service as well. मैले चाहिँ उहाँकोबाट pumpkin seed bottle लिएको थियो. I forgot to bring it here. तर त्यो चाहिँ ग्लासको प्याकेजिङमा हुन्छ and green color को हुन्छ inside, which tastes amazing. एकदमै राम्रो थियो त्यसको टेस्ट. अनि अरु के पाउँछ भने चाहिँ त्यहाँ न्युटेलाको रिप्लेसमेन्टमा चाहिँ नोटेला. That is 100% vegan. कस्तो राम्रो. Like I haven't tried it, but यस्तो हेर्दा कस्तो खाम जस्तो लाग्छ and I'm definitely planning to order one for myself in future. अनि अर्को कुरा पनि के छ भनेपछि vegan raspberry. अर्को vegan store चाहिँ के छ भने चाहिँ Sara Bakes. They have vegan cakes, just a birthday cakes हो कि कुनै other cake होस्, anything like that, muffins हो कि anything like that, she has that. अनि चाहिँ cheese पनि छ. Cheese चाहिँ recently I bought from her. यो चाहिँ Sara Bakes भनेर लेखिरहेको हुन्छ. It's 100% vegan. अनि यसमा चाहिँ 200 grams पाउने रहेछ, which is quite a great deal. मैले चाहिँ एक्सपेक्ट गरेको चाहिँ अलिकति सानो थियो हैन. यत्रो ठुलोमै आएको छ as you can see हैन. अनि एकदम राम्रो डिल जस्तो लाग्छ if you're craving for cheese. अनि short and अर्को भनेर चाहिँ मैले नैमा is like she has not opened her own store. यस्तो के पनि online store यस्तो गरेर खोलेको छैन, but her personal account मा चाहिँ I knew that she made cookies अनि के भनेर अनि I followed her and I messaged her vegan cookies बनाउनु हुन्छ and stuff like that and she said yes I will try. And after that she really tried and made vegan cookies for me. अर्को चाहिँ तपाईले कता पाउन सक्छ भने भात पटेनी सबैलाई थाहा छ होला. फुड कोर्टमा गएर यसो डुल्नु हैन, you will find lots of vegan stuffsहरु. I just found milkहरु अनि चकलेटहरु चाहिँ मैले देखे छ भात पटेनीमा अनि मलाई soy milk and almond milk चाहिँ देखेको छ. अरु बेला चाहिँ I don't like to eat हैन, यसै अरु दिनहरुमा चाहिँ यसै जंकहरु खाने यस्तो चाहिँ गर्दिन म. मोस्ट अफ द टाइम गर्न मन लाग्दैन बिकज धेरै यसरी खाइरहेको भने झन् बडी क्रेभिङहरु हुन्छ अनि पछि झन् गाह्रो हुन्छ भनेर चाहिँ I don't like to eat a lot of things you will face being a vegan. Vegan बन्नलाई चाहिँ के गाह्रो छ भनेपछि 25% चाहिँ फुड हरको क्रेभिङ रिप्लेसमेन्ट गर्न चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ and the rest 75% चाहिँ मान्छेहरु आफ्नै मान्छेहरुले जोकको तर्फमा लिने के like they rag you, joke about it and say whatever they want to you, which is really hard. मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै गाह्रो भयो त्यस्तो कुराहरु. Even my friends say that to me. I feel so bad even though I do not show it on my face. I feel super bad. Like मैले चाहिँ Asmi Shrestha दिएको चाहिँ भिडियो हेरेको थियो about vegan हैन. उहाँ चाहिँ कुन भिडियो चाहिँ I forgot. I will list it in the description box. त्यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ उहाँ full vegan रेस्टुरेन्टमा जानु भएको थियो थमेलमा and आफ्नो एक्सपिरियन्स बारेमा अलिकति भन्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यस्तो त्यस्तो भिडियो थियो and I really liked it. त्यो म भिडियो डिस्क्रिप्सनमा हालिदिन्छु. I think so you should must watch. and other vegan videos that has inspired me to video banama halinchu description box ma. Now let's move on to the main topic. Breakfast यो चाहिँ oat milk अघि भर्खर बनाएको. It's quite creamy. मैले धेरै बनाएको थिएँ अनि it's brown bread, grain bread, no dairy used. अनि यो चाहिँ vegan banana custard cookie and this is avocado. तपाईहरुलाई यो भिडियो राम्रो लाग्यो भने प्लिज thumbs up गर्नुहोस् and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week Friday.